Hello everyone, good morning and namaskar. Today's video will be on weight gain in newborn baby. Multiple couples come around with the babies and they say, Doctor, my baby is not gaining weight. Am I lactating enough? मुझे दूध आ रहा है क्या? कम आ रहा है क्या? ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं क्या? Okay, and is the baby gaining weight? How much weight baby should be gaining weight? In the first few days my baby is losing weight, though I am feeding her every 2 hours. How the baby is losing weight? So today I shall answer this question. So most of the topics I'll be making short videos, so it is not taxing for the parents. You just listen to that one video and you should get maximum information in a shorter time. That is my aim. Okay, so today will be only on weight gain of the newborn baby. Now we consider our newborn baby Pratik, okay, arbitrary name Pratik, okay. Pratik is 3 kilos newborn baby, okay, so that is his birth weight at birth is 3 kilos. Now we'll go about seeing this baby. The other babies you can always calculate in the same way, okay. Now this Pratik baby who is 3 kilos of weight comes to me at 10 days of age with again 3 kilos of weight. In my OPD, I see the baby's weight is only 3 kilos. So when the mother comes inside, mother is all tense. You know, I've been feeding the baby every 2 hours. I don't even sleep in the night. Whenever he is crying, a nipple is in his mouth. Okay, then my mother and mother-in-law both are helping me. They say that baby is not gaining weight, but दूध नहीं आ रहा है. Please give him something else. Go consult the doctor. So she lands up in my clinic at 10 days of age. Okay, so now what is the problem with Pratik? Pratik has no problem. Why? Because Pratik is a normal baby who is born at 3 kilos. Okay, that is birth weight is 3 kilos, and in the first 10 days most of the babies will lose their weight around 10% of their body weight. That means considering baby Pratik as 3 kilos, around 300 gram is normal weight loss in the first 10 days. So if this baby had to be around 2.7, 2.8 kilos also, I would have been happy. This is a normal weight loss of the baby, okay. But if the baby had to be 2.5 at this visit, definitely there was some problem, okay. So that is not the case with Pratik, okay. Now how is Pratik going to increase his weight now? So number one point you got, in the first 10 days of life the baby may lose weight instead of gaining. Why? Because they have these extra body waters which the baby loses in the first few days. I will not go into more science of that. Just remember that much information is enough for you, okay. So in the first 10 days after they lose the weight, after 10 days the baby should ideally gain weight. Now if the baby doesn't gain weight, means there is some problem. Now how is the baby going to gain weight? To remember it easily, remember it this way. Whatever is the baby's weight at birth, baby has to double the weight by 5 to 6 months of age, and triple the weight at the birthday, that is at 1 year of age, and quadruple, that is 4 times the weight at 2 years of age. So my baby Pratik at birth is 3 kilos, should be 6 kilos at 6 months of age, should be 9 kilos at 1 year of age, that is at birthday, and should be around 12 kilos by the time baby is 2 years of age. So this is the ideal course. Okay, now how does the baby gain his weight? In the first few days, that is the first 1 month of age, the baby will get around 3 to 4 months of age, baby will gain around 25 grams to 30 grams per day. What does this mean? On an average per month till 3 to 4 months of age, baby should gain 750 grams or 700 grams to 1000 grams. That is 750 gram to 1 kilo weight gain in the first around 4 to 5 months of age. So baby who is 3 kilos, okay, should be around 3.75 minimum by 1 year, 1 month of age. Then another 750 grams, that means around 4.5 kilos at 2 months of age. Then at 3 months of age should be around 5.25 kilos approximately, I am saying. Then around 4 months of age around 6 kilos. So we are already reaching that 6 kilo target. So So this is the way the baby should be gaining weight. Okay, now there are times when the baby does not gain weight, that is a baby who is just gaining 10 grams per day or just 5 grams per day, means there is some problem, and that some problem has to be detected by your doctor. Okay, it may be a feeding problem, that is maybe the baby is not sucking enough of milk though the mother has a lot of milk, or that the mother is having less milk because of stress. Okay, or maybe there is some problem in the latching of the baby. Now what is latching? Latching means the way the baby feeds on the mother's breast. I'll be placing one video which is a really nice video by Feed IQ website, okay, at the description box. So most of the mothers, please go through that video link and go through that video. It's really helpful video. Most of my patients who come in the clinic, I always tell them to go through this video link so that you yourself come to know what are the different positions I can hold in, is the baby holding properly. It's a nice x-ray view, you know, so in that video, so you can really make out those positions very well. Now this is about the weight gain of the baby in the first few months. How the baby increases till 12 kilos, that is till 3 years of age. So in the first around 0 to 4 months, as I said, approximately 750 grams to 1000 grams per month. Okay, then from 5 months to 8 months of age, he will gain around 500 grams to 750 grams per month. From 8 months to 12 months of age, that is we have already come to 1 year of age now, baby will gain around 350 to 500 grams per month, and following 1 year of age, baby will gain only 1 to 2 kilos of weight gain, sorry, 2 to 3 kilos of weight gain per year. Okay, that means a baby who is 10 kilos at 1 year will be 12 kilos at or 13 kilos at 2 years, will be 14 to 15 kilos at 3 years. Okay, will be around 16 kilos by 4 years, and till 6 years of age. Okay, I hope this covers up the doubts about the weight gain in the baby. Okay, thank you.